Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 20. Optimization Recommendations. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at optimization recommendations, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. From here select One Campaign, then select Recommendations. Here at Recommended Setup Conversion Tracking, click on View Recommendation button. Here it suggests what you can do, Performance Summary and Action. Now select another campaign and select Recommendations. Again at Recommended Setup Conversion Tracking. On top, we have Bids and Budgets option, select it and click on View Recommendation button. Again here it suggests what you can do, Performance Summary and Action with a Get Started button to start. So this is all about optimization recommendations. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 21. How to spy competitors' ad using Ad Preview and Diagnostics tool. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to spy competitors' ad using Ad Preview and Diagnostics tool, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.